Hi, and welcome into our kitchen right here at Daniel Appliance. I'm your host, Peggy Taylor, and we are cooking with gas with Liberty Utilities, and look who's here. It's Shane McGuigan. So happy to have him.
Well, thank you for having me back.
Anytime. We are going to try to cook clam chowder. It's something I order off the menu every time I see it, so we're going to try it today. Now, when making this clam chowder, I want to make sure that the clams are the star of the show. So I don't want to overdo it with the bacon and the potatoes. So we might just kind of, we'll see how we
smelling what's going on. They are the star of the show.
It does smell pretty strong around here right at this moment. But anyway, first what we've got on low heat, we're going to just sort of render the fat off this bacon and add some onions. And about 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted. There you go. I'm going to add some garlic to this as well. You know I like garlic.
Yes.
Now we're going to add some diced Yukon Gold potatoes. Now would be a good time to add about 3 tablespoons of flour if you like your chowder a little bit thicker. I'm going to use the potato starch to help thicken our chowder. Some recipes call for chicken broth, but I like to use clam juice.
Can you smell what we're cooking?
Okay, now we're going to add just a little bit of dried thyme. Now our potatoes are nice and soft and they've given us a little more thickness. We're going to add some cream. You can just stir it right on in. Okay, our cream is cooking down and thickening up with all those potatoes, and we're just going to add our cans of chopped clams. Juice 2.
Easy without splashing.
Once those clams are in, it just takes a couple of minutes. So we're going to get it heated through. It looks like it's just about done.
Oh, yeah.
I cannot wait to try this New England clam chowder with my dear friend Shane, who doesn't like it. And he's already decided he doesn't like it. Here we go. Cheers, my dear. We did it.
Tell you what, it's actually pretty good.
It is good. Oh my goodness. Gotta try it. Thanks for being so brave.
Oh, it was good.
I hope you enjoyed it, and I sure hope you'll try it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Daniel Appliance. Thank you, Liberty Utilities. We couldn't do it without you. Till next time, be well. The recipes are also available on WRBL.com. Click on Watch, then go to the Our Kitchen tab.